So this is a tutorial in playing 4-note chords. This is not easy for a beginner, but it needs to be done now because these chords are used in the simplest chord progressions. So we'll start with what's called a G7. First you play a G chord with normal fingering, and now you play it with this fingering, 1, 2, and 4. And then with your pinky you add an F. So now you're playing 4 different notes, and because there's an interval of 7 notes between your thumb and your pinky, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is, when you put it all together, this is now called a G7, a G7 root. There are also what are called inversions, and if you play inversions, I'll just demonstrate what they look like. So this is the root, first inversion, second inversion, third inversion, and root again. And the fingering for all of them is 1, 2, 4, and 5, except for the second inversion. So root, first, second inversion is 1, 2, 3, and 5. Alright, so there's just one other thing. When you play, let's say you play the third inversion, this one here, normally one of the notes is left out in pieces, and the note that's normally left out is the D, this one here. So you're left with these 3 notes, but this is also called a G7, even though you're only playing 3 notes. You're leaving this one out. Okay. All right. That's all I'll say for now. In the next video, I'll talk about other 7 chords.